Hello friends, welcome to the CADPower tutorial series. I am Pradeep Sangwan coming to you from Designsense Software Technologies Private Limited. Today we are going to explore the shape measure command that can make your work easier and faster. Are you ready to learn about this powerful command? In the world of the manufacturing and fabrication industry, by using the shape measure command, you can quickly and easily create tables that provide valuable information about your drawing such as cutting profile, name, length, area and dimension. With the shape measure command, you can achieve this task with just few clicks. So are you excited to learn how to use this amazing command? Let's explore this command. As you can see on the screen, we have a cutting diagram with the different cutting profile. So we can use shape measure command here for creating the table with the valuable information. But before using it here, I am going to use this command here so you can easily understand what shape measure command can do. For applying the shape measure command, you can use various methods. First method, you can use the CADPower menu. In the CADPower menu, you can go to the miscellaneous in the CAD procedure, second set, and here you can see we have shape measure command in the menu option. Another option you can use for the shape measure command, you can go to the CADPower tab in the ribbon bar, and here in the miscellaneous panel, you just need to click on this drop down, and here you can find out the shape measure command. So I am going to use the shortcut command cp_shape measure. Now you need to enter, and after the enter you can see this message box. In this you can read these instructions. If you are facing any problem in the shape measure command during the process, you can read these instructions and follow these. So I am going to click on the yes. It will ask for the select the entities. So I am going to select these entities in this drawing. These are the different cutting profiles, so I am going to use these entities. Right click. Now this shape measure window will pop up. Here you can find out the menu option, create shape table, shape measure or shape table parameters. But today we are going to discuss only create shape table. So another option we will discuss in upcoming videos. So I am going to select this create shape table and click OK. Now it will show a warning message. You just need to ignore it and click OK. As you can see, it will ask for the pick point to place the shape table. So I am going to click here, and now you can see our shape table is created. If you want to increase the scale factor, you can increase it from here. So I am going to give the value of the scale factor like 5, enter. Now you can see our table is now visible properly, and we can reduce its length from here. So here you can see in the shape table, we have the shape, quantity, area, length, description, dimension. These are the shapes which we have in this drawing. We have the rectangle, and quantity of the rectangle is 4. You can count it from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have these shapes rectangle, single D, oblong, irregular, 5-sided in our drawing. For the irregular 5-sided polygon, as you can see here, this is the irregular 5-sided polygon. We have the dimension of the each side like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have total 5 dimension here represent each side of the irregular polygon. So like this we can create the shape property and quantity table with the help of the shape measure command. So I am going to use shape measure command here also. For the apply the same command again, you can use the arrow key in the keyboard for call the resend command. So as you can see here, shape measure command automatically recall. You need to enter and click on the yes. Now select the entities, right click, click OK, click OK, click here. Enter the scale factor. I am going to give 5 value, and now you can see in this table we have only the single shape, but in this drawing we have two shapes, one rectangular and second is oblong, but it didn't include the oblong shape here. Why? This look like it is a closed polyline, but it is not. How we can find out that? We just need to double click here, or we can use the pedit command for identify this is closed polyline or open polyline. As you can see, here is the option of close. If this option is appear, that means it is the open polyline. If you click here, this will close the polyline, and here you will see the open option, which is represent the this is the closed polyline. Okay, you just need to click the close option and then escape. So now same tricks you can apply on this oblong shape. You just need to double click here and now close it. Now we are going to again use the shape measure command. With the help of the up arrow, you can select the command, enter, click on the yes, then select the entities. Now right click, click OK, OK. Now pick a point to place the table. I am just going to click here. I am going to give the scale factor 5. Enter. So now you can see we have the both shapes, rectangle and oblong. Like this we can solve these issues. If you found any open polyline, then you need to close it. So now next we are going to apply the shape manager command here. So I am going to select the shape manager command and click on yes. Now select these entities and right click, click OK. Now click OK. Select the point. So I am going to enter the scale factor 5. Enter. Now you can see our table is very lengthy. We can sort it from here. So now our shape table is ready for the cutting diagram. As you can see, we have the shapes, number of quantities, area, length and description also. And here is the dimensions. So like this we can use this powerful command for creating the table with the valuable information. If you don't have CADPower, then download CADPower today and start taking advantage of the incredible power of the CADPower tools. You can find out the downloading link in the description. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and like and share our videos with your colleagues. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.